Hey there! Paneer are very common dish within many families. But sometimes some of the store-bought paneer or the ones kept in the fridge can lose its softness. There is a way to make it soft and spongy. Let's know how! Leave your comments in the section below. Subscribe for more such quick tips. At first, we will fry the paneer. While it is frying, bring some water to a rolling boil and add about a teaspoon of salt to it. Our paneer has turned golden brown and the water has also boiled. Now drop the paneer into the boiling water. Switch off the flame. Keep it for about 5 minutes and take them out. This process will make the paneer really soft and spongy. Let me know if you have tried this method. You need to try it to know it. I'll be back with another buzzing idea next Thursday.